Ode to Walter, the Transgender Pug. In a world of wags and barks, there lived a pug named Walter, whose gentle spirit and loving heart made him a true defaulter. He pranced and played with joy, his fur a rainbow delight, a transgender pug, a beacon of love shining so bright. His owner, Rosmarie, a soul kind and warm, nurtured Walter's essence, protecting him from any harm. Together they shared a bond, unbreakable and strong, a celebration of life, where love could do no wrong. As Thanksgiving arrived, their hearts felt heavy and light, for Walter had passed, his spirit taking flight. But in the midst of sorrow, a prodigal son returned, Johnny, the young one, whose love for Rosmarie burned. Amidst the feast, their souls found solace and grace, as memories of Walter filled the space. They laughed and cried, sharing stories anew, finding comfort in the love they both knew. Oh, the feast was divine, a culinary delight, as they savored each bite, with gratitude shining bright. And in a stroke of fate, no mix-up did occur. Containers of Walter's remains and food were kept separate, for sure. Johnny, the prodigal son, found rest in the basement's embrace, a bunk bed his haven, a sanctuary in space. And as Rosmarie brushed his hair, with tender care, their bond grew stronger, a love so rare. So here's to Walter, the pug of many hues, whose life inspired love and broke all boundaries and taboos. In the heart of Rosmarie, his spirit will forever reside, a testament to the beauty of love, no matter the tide. May their Thanksgiving feast forever be remembered, a celebration of life, where joy and love were tendered. And as they cherish each other, through highs and lows, their bond, unbreakable, forever it grows.